Power isn't something your body receives, it's reclaimed. If you feel like past injuries or poor posture are holding back your strength, it's not because you're weak. Your muscles are just out of sync, with some working too hard and others barely helping. The first step is waking up dormant muscles. When you do that, your body stops fighting itself. Compensation fades, balance returns, and your real strength becomes usable again. Next, don't just push harder, remove hidden resistance. Misaligned joints make you waste energy, but realigning them lets your force and stability return naturally. Position also shapes your power. A better setup means cleaner movement, and your energy doesn't get drained as quickly. As your alignment and activation improve, moving feels smoother and your endurance rises. It's not about brute force, but about smart control. Plus, old injuries or your age don't have to limit you. With the right system, you gain true authority over muscle activation and joint support, and you unlock real power. If you're ready to move past pain and reclaim your body's strength, Calgary Muscle Activation can help. Start commanding your body and see what's truly possible.